Hello students, welcome to your economics class. So students, in this class we will start our new topic, that is the elasticity of demand. See, in a demand chapter we learn that what is demand, how demand change when the price of the commodities get changed. Okay, so elasticity of demand tell us that how much changes are in the demand. Okay, there is a certain that okay, demand is changing, but in the demand chapter we didn't know that how and how much the demand is changed. Okay, so elasticity of demand tell us that how much quantity demanded of a commodity is changed due to the change in the price of a commodity. Okay, here a definition is given to you that elasticity of a demand refers to the degree of responsiveness of a quantity demanded of a commodity to a change in any of its determinants. See, demand is changed when any kind of determinants get changed, because demand is directly depend on the determinants of a demand, like a income, price of a substitute products, weather, fashion, taste and preferences, and other things. But the price affects the demand directly. Okay, if there is a change in the price of a commodity, then demand get easily changed. Okay, and there is an inverse relationship between the price and the demand. Okay, if there is an increase in a price, then the decrease in the quantity demand of a commodity. So elasticity of demand tell us that there is how much changes is occurring in the demand due to the change in the determinants of a demand. Okay, elasticity of demand is classified in a three parts, that is a price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, cross elasticity of demand. Okay, first we will understand that what is a price elasticity. See, price elasticity of demand, it's already clear that this elasticity is related to the price. Okay, so let's understand the definition of the price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand may be defined as the degree of responsiveness of a quantity demanded of a commodity response to a change in its price. Okay, it means that if there is any change in a price of a commodity, then how much quantity of a commodity is changed. If there is an increase in the price, then how much there is a decrease the quantity demanded, and if there is a decrease in price, then how much quantity is increased of a commodity. Okay, so price elasticity of demand tells us that the quantity changed due to the change in the price. Okay, the price elasticity of demand refers to the ratio of the percentage change in the quantity demanded of a commodity to a given percentage change in price. Here a definition and formula both is given, that the price elasticity of demand refers to the ratio of the percentage change in a quantity demanded of a commodity to a given percentage change in its price. It means that is a presentation of percentage change in the price and the quantity demanded of a commodity. It tells the amount of changement in its percentage. EP denotes the price elasticity of demand. Now we will move to our next topic, that is a classification of price elasticities, degrees of price elasticity of demand. See, price elasticity of demand is classified into 5 degrees. Okay, so just understand that what is the first degree. First degree is known as a perfectly inelastic demand. What is perfectly inelastic? See, perfectly means completely, inelastic means that there is a no changement in the demand. Okay, so this statement tells us that there is a no change in the quantity demanded of a commodity in response to the change in a price. Either price is increasing or either price is decreasing, but there is a no change in a quantity of a commodity that is demanded on a certain price. Okay, here a definition is given that when quantity demanded of a commodity does not respond to a change in its price, then the elasticity of demand is 0. Why? Because there is a no change in the quantity demanded. So we can make a graph of this, like this is a y axis and this is a x axis. Okay, if there is a price P, on a OP price the quantity is demanded by a OQ. When there is a change in price and price get increased by P1, but there is a no change in the quantity demanded. Okay, at P1 price quantity is OQ, and if there is a decrement in price get decreased, but there is also no change in the quantity demand. Here is also OQ, quantity of commodity demanded. So in this perfectly inelastic of demand, the demand curve will be vertical and EP is equal to the 0 because there is a no change in the quantity demanded. Okay, next is perfectly elastic demand. See, when we see that perfectly elastic demand, perfectly means completely, elastic means changeable, demand means that if there is a change in the price of a commodity, then definitely there is a changement in the quantity demanded of a commodity. Okay, when consumer are prepared to purchase all that they can get a particular price but nothing at all at slightly higher price, then the price elasticity of a demand for a commodity is said to be infinite. It means that there is a no fixity. What perfectly elastic of demand says that if a consumer is demanded of a commodity at a certain price and if there is a change in the price gets slightly high but the quantity demanded get 0. Okay, so that is known as a perfectly elastic demand, and in perfectly elastic demand EP is infinite. Okay, so now we will move to the next degree, that is a unitary elastic. Unitary elastic demand says that when a given percentage in the price of a commodity causes an equivalent percentage change in the quantity demanded, then the elasticity demand is said to be unitary or 1. It means that when change in its price is equal to the change in the quantity demanded, okay, then that demand is known as a unitary elastic demand, and in that EP is equal to 1. Okay, and in this unitary elastic demand the demand curve is made, that is known as a hyperbola demand curve. Okay, how we can make this graph? Like this, on a P price quantity demanded is Q P1 price, quantity demand will be decreased. Q1, if price get decreased, P2 price, quantity will be increased, and the demand curve will be made like this. Okay, that is a DD, demand curve, and this kind of demand curve is known as a rectangular hyperbola demand curve, and here elasticity EP is equal to 1. Okay, now next is elastic demand. Elastic demand says that when the percentage change in the quantity demanded of a commodity exceeds the percentage change in its price, the elasticity of demand is greater than the 1. In elastic demand, the quantity changed is greater than the change in a price. If there is a little changement in a price of a commodity, but the changement in the quantity demanded of a commodity is greater than the ratio of changement in the price, then it is known as a elastic demand. Okay, in elastic demand, EP is greater than 1. Okay, now next is a inelastic demand. What inelastic demand says? Inelastic demand says when there is a change in a quantity demanded of a commodity is less than the change in the price of a commodity, then it is known as a inelastic of demand. It means that the ratio of changement in the quantity is less than the ratio in the change of a price of a commodity, and here EP is less than the 1. Okay, so this was the 5 degrees of a price elasticity of a demand. Okay students, you have to read this topic very carefully because these topics are a very important topics for your board examination point of view. Okay students, thank you so much, have a nice day. We will meet in the next class with the new topic.